Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Good. Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? Good. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Okay. Not great. Uh, Tough and cold. Suffering with cold. Now, okay. See, everyone. Is there anyone who did any project started with CSS? Like yesterday, we discussed something called friend and mentor. Did you guys started anything? Did you guys did that friend and mentor one? Anyone online also? If anyone did it, give me the links. Let me see it. Huh? Usha Verma. This. What is this here? That's only. Huh. That only na. Capital or small, it is same. Huh. Okay. You did which one? Traffic light one. Phone. Oh. Nahi. When it is 100%, first thing, your card is not at the center of the vertical time. How to make a card vertical center? Align item center. Right? Justify contact will go with main axis. If the display direction, if the flux direction is row, sir, then it will go with align items. Is everyone getting my language right? Yeah. Now, second one more error. This image and the Greg Hopper both should be in the same line. Na? That means Greg Hopper should be vertically center. Are you getting my point? So they both will be in one div. That div also again flux. Sir, height is also okay, but height has to be somewhat down. And this one you made it link, hover link. That is nice, which we will discuss today anyway. Remaining all perfect. Any other person did anything? Traffic light. What is that? This one is nice. This one I will do it today now. Then. Not a big deal. It's like 2 minutes work. Let's do it. Not exactly 2 minutes. It's like Maggie 2 minutes, which will take actually 5 minutes. Now, any other person? Any other one links? Seriously, no one created live links? If anyone created, feel free to share so that I can see and I will tell you where exactly you are. I'm not asking this to somewhat, criticize you, ma. My point is, even if you did half work, show it to me so that I will tell you where you can make it better. Okay. Now, online.
Recording in progress.
Online gave me someone. Okay. Okay. Let's see online Mayank Bhatt. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. 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 Which is simple. Who is that Pikachu? Can you please be in silent? Okay, this one is nice. Which you will understand it after grid. This one easily. Even Flux with work nicely now. Any other? Anyone? At least did you guys open that friend and master? Raise your hand. How many of you honestly created account in friend and master? Friend and master account created at least. Good. So remaining people are not at all interested in that friend and master only, right? And what is your motive to come to this class? No, how do you learn? That's what my process. Okay. Learn CSS you came or to learn HTML, to learn front end. How? By listening. By practicing. Sir, by listening you will never get, sir. Not me or anyone. I just want to track your progress also. That is why I'm asking every day. For example, once I came to JavaScript, I won't have sufficient time. So I will go with somewhat fast. At the time, I may not ask you every day what is your progress, are you doing or not. Now in CSS and all, I have some time, so slowly I'm going on. I want to check whether what is your progress and all. So now only try your progress. If anyone did not do their first project W3C also, no worries. Start your project and make your project live and send me that link. Okay? You all did W3C, right? Make it live. Tomorrow I want to see everyone's live W3C. Okay? Now, okay, sir. Now let's start our logic. Let's understand more about CSS once. Srivani, someone gave me the link also, which is not found. That means it's not there. Now, sir, already the notes I uploaded in the drive, sir. You can open the drive link. You will have the CSS notes. The complete CSS notes is given at one point. Along with this, sir, along with this, let me open and show it to you. CSS. If I open it here, open folder. HTML, CSS. Now everyone, in your Google Drive, there is one page also called GitHub link. Okay, see like this, GitHub link text. Okay, check it in that GitHub link text file. In that you will have the actual link of my GitHub, which every day projects will be uploaded. Okay, and at the same time you will have some HTML folder. Inside HTML folder, you can see all the HTML things. Like for example, if you want to know about lists, if you open it, you can see what are lists about. Okay, everything, and I will explain it here using comments. Okay. Same way, sir. Even in CSS also, even in CSS folder also, I created CSS folder also. Any topic, if you did not understand, you can go back and you can check the CSS also. Inside CSS intro.html, there I just explained, okay, what is CSS and how to start it. Same way, box model, if you did not understand, box model, I just explained it here. Okay, in comments, you can just, if you just see how that program works, you will understand the box model. Clear, ma? Along with these things, notes are also uploaded with a folder named notes. See, here, notes. Inside the notes, HTML PDF and CSS PDFs were there. Where it will contain the complete data about HTML and the CSS. Okay, ma? If you want document is there. If you want PDF is there. But both are same only. Is it clear till now? Yeah. Now let me start understanding more important topics. If you can understand 2 more classes in CSS, sir, then you can rock the CSS. Now, GitHub link is also provided in the GitHub link.txt. Okay, and at the same time, the same link, GitHub link, HTML5 2pm, same thing is also mentioned in the Google Drive also. Okay. Now, sorry, not Google Classroom. This class is going with Google Drive. Okay, because majority of the people are there, we are preferring Google Drive. You can have Google Drive. I think we didn't have any classroom, right? No. We have classroom? No. We have only Google Drive. Okay, you can go with Google Drive, sir. Now, let me let me start one CSS file. Selectors dot html. Selectors 2.html, whatever. Now, and selectors to dot css. Sir, today's concepts were kind of more important, sir. Please focus on them. I am taking it live, and here nothing is there. It will give one error because without HTML you are just making it go live. Okay. Save. Now go here, sir. Now understand it. Empty. Now let me go here, and I'm just taking it. CSS. Now inside this, let me have some basic logic. One div. Okay. Now div is having one class outer. Inside this div, I'm gonna have divs winner for. Sir, I think I told you in one class emmets. Did you remember, sir? Boys, are you there? Did you remember emmets which I discussed? For the people who did not remember, just a point. If I take paragraph P asterisk 4, what you will get? 4 paragraphs. Same way, sir, I am taking div as dot inner. Div dot means class. So automatically it will create a div with a class name inner, sir. And I want 4. So automatically what will happen? 4 will be created. Now that is what I'm saying. What I will say is div dot outer. Div dot outer. Inside of this immediately, what do you want? Div dot inner. How many you want it? 4. Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? No. Each one will have one paragraph. Okay. And each paragraph will have lorem 20. I did all code at a time, na? Just a shortcut. Okay. Shortcut. Okay. If you don't want that, you can do it on your own also. Like you can have it like div, which is class outer, div inner. It doesn't matter. No one will ask you in interviews what is this emmet. How do you make it short and all? Okay. We will ask you about div, paragraph, these things only. So how you will make it productive, that's different case. And these things will not work for any other editor also. Only VS Code will be available for this. Now let's start it, sir. Here, inner paragraph. Inside the paragraph, you have these things. Now for all paragraphs, I'm gonna have class here. Okay. Now here, let's have paragraph class para. You can do multi-selection also, sir, which I will show you after some time. Don't worry. Para. And at the same time, ID para 1. Sir, why I'm doing this all is just to show you how these things works. Okay. ID para 2. ID para 3. Okay. Mistake. ID para 4. Still no any doubts, ma? Did you understand the tree, the DOM tree now? For the people who don't know DOM tree, I told you at that day, we can imagine a tree-like structure. Parent, a child. Who is the main parent here? Outer. Outer is having how many children? 4. Which one has inner? Now inside each inner, they have children paragraph. Right? And the paragraph is having the text. The paragraph name is para or para 1. Para 1 is a unique name. Para is a name for which is all, like class name. Okay? Now, let me go here. Let me go to CSS. And let's open this one also. Show preview. Focus here. Last ones, can you able to see, ma? Huh? Zoom, ma? More zoom. Then I will go with screen like this here. Can you see 4 paragraphs now? Now go here, sir. What if I write dot para and background red? Then what will happen, sir? All paragraphs will have red, right or not? Okay. What is happening? Huh? Logic. Good. So link is not there, sir. Link CSS selector dots. Now go here. Any doubts? No, which is simple. Now, what if, sir, I write hash para 1 and background color green? What will happen now? Only paragraph 1 will have background color green and remaining all will have background color red. Okay, this is also not a bigger problem. Many people understand. Instead of para, if you write it P also same, right or not? It will apply to all paragraphs. You can use tag name also, same thing. These are the 3 selectors we mainly saw. Now yesterday when I'm doing the project, I told you some few more also. Those things we will discuss first now. Okay. Now see, sir. What if I write div here? Div. Then that means whole div will be selected. Para means inside div only para. But here whole div is selecting red. Are you getting my point, ma? Now inside this whole div, sir, I want a div space P para. Div space P. That means inside the divs which are having P. Inside the divs which are having P. Now let me go here. Inside the div. In the 4th one, I will keep another div here. Inside the div, I will keep inner. Now inside this div, para is there. Now if I write it here like this, div space P, it will applicable to all the elements which are paragraphs inside. It is applicable to 4th one also. See, but is the paragraph is actually inside the div? No, it is inside the main div. If I write it here, instead of that, if I write dot inner. Now what does this mean? It means any descendant of inner class. Descendant means, you know that na, we have ancestors and we are their descendants, right? I am descendant of my grandfather or great grandfather or grand grandfather, like that. Okay, same way, sir. Now if P is a grandchild or grand grandchild, whatever it is, if it is a P is a grandchild of dot inner, automatically it will work. If P is a child, it will work. So it will applicable to all the things, right or not? But if I say P must be a child, then if you see, it is not applicable to 4th one. It is not applicable to 4th one. Why it is not applicable to fourth one, sir? Because that is not direct shell. Fourth one is actually div. Inside inner div, you have inner div. Inside that inner div, you will have paragraph. Right? Are you getting my point? No? Now, inside the inner, sir, you have another one which is called inner. And inside that paragraph is there. That's why it will not work. Okay? So, if you give here space, sir, that means descendant. Space is called descendant. These were actually mentioned in the notes also, no worries. And but if you give something called arrow, then it is immediate child. What it is? Any doubts? Sir, can I give 2-3 classes here? Yes, absolutely. I can write dot inner, comma. Like see, I can write it dot inner, comma, dot inner. I can write how many classes I like. I can write it there. It doesn't matter. One more thing. What you can put? You can also put plus. Plus. Plus means siblings. Is it applicable to anyone? No. Now let me make it applicable. Now go here, go to my code. Where is VS Code? Okay, here it is. Now go here. Now after this div, let me write one paragraph. Hello world. Now if I go to my code, now see that hello world is getting green. Sorry, red. Why? Because they are siblings, sir. What I said it is dot inner plus P. That means who is the sibling of P? Earlier we understood child, na? Now what is the logic is? If siblings like brothers or sisters. Now see dot inner and paragraph. Both are the children of outer only, right? Both are children of outer only, na? Now out inner and the paragraph, these two will become siblings automatically. Right? When they are siblings, sir, automatically you will get plus. Any doubt, sir? Is it clear, ma, till now? Not yes, sir. Come on, what happened to you? అర్థం కాలేదా ఇలా చెప్పు నౌ see ma, basically understand it in a tree structure, sir. See, for example, one parent is there. Okay, the parent is having a child, and let's have a child structures. Now imagine I'm calling this class. Okay, this is having class A or class B. If I say dot A plus B, dot A plus dot B, that means apply to class B only if the class B is sibling of class A. Okay, it's like give to this guy some chocolate only if he is my brother. Okay, now who is saying that? This inner is saying it. Inner is saying that P is my brother. Only if P is my brother, give it to background color red. Okay, now the program will check it. How do you check it, brother or sister? We will check it common parent. Same thing. Both siblings. You have to define it basically. See, basically it will be same, no? Dot inner plus P. Then dot inner also will have background color red, and dot inner plus P also background color red. Why we need this thing is we don't know whether paragraphs will be there or not. We don't know that DOM tree. Imagine you don't know that DOM tree. I'm just thinking it. If this guy is having any brother or sister, give this property. In case, so based on this guy, I'm giving it. In that case, I will prefer plus. Are you getting it, my point, ma? Huh? To track that. Now in the same tree, sir, in the same tree, what if here, see, now here, these two are having same common parent, right or not? Now, let's see. Here, one guy is there. Now, here, now, are these two are having same common parent, sir? No. Now, what if I want to give properties to this guy based on this? Are you getting my point? These two are not siblings. They are actually called cousins, right? If they are cousins, what you will do? Now, in HTML language, we won't call cousins. I'm just saying it. In that case, what you will do? Then in that case, sir, you will write another symbol, which is dot inner. Not inner. Yeah, it's not minus actually. It's approximation symbol. Where is this? This approximation symbol. You know this symbol, sir? Approximation. Yeah. If you give this, that means the inner dot inner and the paragraph are actually have some common ancestor, not the common parent, have some common ancestor. Are you getting this point, sir? These are relative selectors. Relative selectors means based on one property, I am selecting another element. Earlier, basic selectors are three: selecting by ID, selecting by class, or selecting by tag. In case if you are not using this, in case if you are in a situation to select these things, you will select like this. Are these are mandatory? No, it's not like every program you will use this. But if a situation comes, I'm just telling you these are also existed. Clear? Any doubt, sir? Now, let's understand more and more. Now, today there are so many selectors actually. Now, let's understand. You should understand to understand this all. You should understand family tree. Okay. Always this DOM tree you should understand deeply. Now, let me make it more clear. One more time, sir. I will show you the family tree. Remember this. What is the main here? Body. What is the main here? Root. What is the root here? HTML. HTML have two children. What are they? Head, body. Now, head is having title and all. We don't need it. Okay, in CSS, we care about only body. Now, inside the body, what are there here? First, here inside the body, only outer is there. Body have how many children now? One, which is outer class. Very good. How do you get it? Dot outer. Right? Now, next one. How many children are there for outer, sir? 5. I think you forgot. How many? 5. 4 inner are there and 1 paragraph is there. Now, each inner is again having its one children, which is paragraph. Clear with the DOM tree, sir? Yeah. Now, let's go here. Now, focus on, sir. What you can do is pseudo selectors. What are they called? Pseudo selectors. Pseudo means not real. Pseudo selectors means they are not actually selecting the elements directly. They are selecting elements indirectly. Okay. Now, how you can select it? First one. For example, if I want to select an element which is dot inner, colon. Sir, whenever you are selecting pseudo selector, sir, you will put colon. What you will put? Colon. Colon means two dots will be there. You know, na? Now, colon. Everyone clear, sir? These are pseudo selectors. Now, pseudo selectors. First, we will discuss pseudo classes, then we will come to pseudo selectors. What are they? Same, both. Pseudo classes. Now, pseudo classes and pseudo selectors, the difference is same. Pseudo classes will have two columns. Pseudo classes will have two columns. Pseudo selectors will have only one column, sir. Now, what if I write here inside a paragraph, any paragraph, if I write two columns, okay? Now, two columns, I can say it like, you will have so many options. See, main things which you will use, first letter. Now, if I write it here, font size 50 pixel. Then if you go and see the output, sir, only the first letter of every paragraph became 50 pixel. So you can select only one particular part based on actions, based on parts, based on where they are existed. Also, you can able to select. Okay, this is the main use of pseudo selectors and pseudo classes. So now, can I make this ls and these things are red, sir? How do you maintain color? Background will give background. If I give it color red, automatically they will become color red, sir. This is first letter. This is first letter. What if I make it first line? First line. Now see, only the first line will become bigger, then automatically will be selected. Any doubt, sir? After selecting an element, I am selecting only first one, first line or first letter. Mainly 4 are there. Only 4 are main important. There are so many, but mainly 4 are important. First line, first letter. Now, you also go with something called before. Before. If I write before, okay. Instead of paragraph, I will go with hash para 1. Hash para 1 means I am selecting the first paragraph, sir. Hash para 1 means ID paragraph 1. So, which is first paragraph, right or not? Because for first paragraph, I gave that. See, for first paragraph, I gave para 1. Now, if I go here, for first paragraph before, I will give one property called content. Hello. Content means you can write the values. Now, see, what will happen, sir? Before it's text hello come. Is that hello is inside the HTML, sir? So you can write the values from CSS to the HTML and you can't select it. See, when I'm selecting, I can't select this text because this text is actually not inside HTML. This text is dynamically coming from the CSS. Are you clear my point, ma? Now, change the. You can put that specific content. See, if I want only for specific content color, that specific content, put it in span. And that one you can give colors, whatever you want. And now, see, sir, can anyone tell me what if I put here after? Yes. So after paragraph, you will get that. Same thing. Now go here. See, at the end, hello is there. Right or not? And you can make it how much bigger you want, how much smaller you want. Clear, ma? The 2 columns represent it. So when you are selecting only for particular part, you will go with 2 columns. Any doubt, sir? No. Sir, not 2 columns wise. I wanted some kind of based on action. Then I will go with pseudo selectors. How you will go with based on action is, these are pseudo classes. Pseudo selectors are so simple. I will tell you at the end of the class how to activate the links. Don't worry. Okay. Now pseudo selectors are this, sir. Imagine in your code, one button is there. Button. Okay. Now one button is there, na? Let me give button some color or something. Button. Height. 50 pixel. Width. 100 pixels. Then background color. Black. Huda. Iddon kangar vadako. Okay, na? Now, normal color is white. Color means text color. It is true. Now see, sir, this button is there, na? Now, what I want is whenever I put my mouse on this on this button, the moment I put on that, it should change. What it is called is hovering. What it is called? Hovering. Now let me write it here, sir. These type of actions you will write it with pseudo classes, sir. Pseudo selectors. Pseudo selectors you will write it with button, whatever element you want to select, column, only one column, and let's write hover. Now, whatever properties you will write, sir, those properties will be applicable whenever you hover on that element. Whenever you hover on the element. Now, what you can write it, sir? Background color I will change. Now, tell me what is background color? Blue. Yellow is also not great. Any other? Antique white, and color. Okay, it's okay. Re. Design language you go with your own. Okay, there is no rule like you have to go with mine. Na? My design taste is bad. Okay. Now let's go here, sir. Let me go. But what is the concept? Concept is same. Now what is background color of button? What is color? White. Now go here. Huh? There is no wow there. That is called hovering. What it is called? Hovering. Sir, can I give hovering for normal elements also? Yes. Not only for button. Any element you select, if you put call and hover, automatically hovering will be possible, sir. Clear, ma? Now, let me go with more things. Now, button. If I have one link also, anchor link. HTTPS www.google.com target. For the people who don't know, I'm just giving it one basic link, sir. Okay. Click link. Now go here. In CSS, one link is also came, na? Right or not? When I'm hovering on it, is it any changing? No. Sir, there are so many other things, not only hover. Oh. See? Anchor tag here. You can write it active. You can write active. Hovering, active, visited. So many are there. Now here, active will be background color green. Now see. Now focus here. When I'm clicking on it, what is happening? Whenever your link is exactly active state, see, whenever your link is active state, then its color is changing. Are you getting my point, ma? What does it mean by active? Are you understanding? Because most people will get confused this only. Active means after you press, it will become active there. Okay. Now, what if you visited? If I write here anchor visited. These are different selectors, sir, to make your website more and more interactive. If you go to any website, for example, if you go to Google, directly Google search also, I will write something called mobiles. Now down. Now can you see, ma? Normally all colors come in blue, but only one color. This first one is kind of brown. Why? Visited link. You guys know that, right? Your visited links will come in one color and non-visited links will come in another color, na? Why it will be there like that? Because Google, if it is like that, Google will tell you this link already you visited, you can visit another link. Right or not? So that will be good, na? Same way in your website also, if you want, if someone clicks on a link, you will make it like next time whenever they are visiting it, this link is visited like that. Then you will go with visited, sir. What you will go with? Visited. Visited, I will say background color or whatever. Color pink. Now, that's not actual pink, but here anyway it's pink. Now see, I clicked on it. Now it came. Why it is not pink? Usually visited will work for visited link, sir. Okay, just focus on that. And so maybe active is there, that is why it's not working. What more you can make it? Anchor link, visited, active, hover, or focus. What if I have an input element? See, input type equals to text is there. Do you guys know? Remember input elements, sir? Class. Here I'm giving it inp. I'm selecting one input element, sir. Here dot inp, and here border. Border will be 1 pixel, solid blue. Solid blue. On focus. On focus. Now go here, sir. Check it your code. Whenever I'm focusing on it, see, this is actually focuser. Focus, how it will come, this is actually active. Focus will come from one element to another element. How it will come? Now let me, if you have one form, sir, I think you guys will know this one. Whenever you are filling the form, if you click on tab, automatically active link will go from one point to another point, right? Wherever you want, you can just click on enter. There you can type it. That is called focus, sir. That is called focus. If you put it here, focus, and if you write one logic, what will happen, in your form, if someone is clicking on that tab and making that focus come there, automatically border radius, border will be blue color, because that is what I made it on focus blue color. Clear, ma? Focus and active both are not same. Are you getting my point? Now, next one. Any doubts in the active? Is it clear, ma, till now? See, don't worry. Just focus on it. Anyway, when we do project, all the things will repeat. Okay? Because yesterday we did one Flux project now. If you did not remember the Flux, but if you remember my Flux project, almost you will remember the Flux, right? Same way, sir, we will do our portfolio project. At that time, I will repeat it everything, these particular ones. But focus on it. At that time, it should not be new to you. Okay? Now, sir, paragraphs are there. Now, how many paragraphs are there here? 5 are there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let me remove this first line wala. This content wala also. Control KC. Now, can anyone tell me one logic? Can anyone tell me one logic? This one is so simple, ma. Focus here. I want only first paragraph. I want only your second paragraph. Huh? ID is good. But instead of ID, let me tell you one scenarios where you just go to one particular home where they have 5 children. Imagine this is the same tree as 5 children, where you just say it like, give this chocolate to the second child. Right? You don't know exactly what to call that particular one. Give this chocolate to the fourth one, or last one, or first one. Okay? Or first male, or first female. Are you getting my point, ma? You can do like that also. Sir, if I am selecting paragraph, focus here, what I am doing it. Everyone. Paragraph I am selecting. Paragraphs who are nth child. What are they? Nth child. Nth means number of. We don't know. If I say nth child 1, what does it mean? If I say nth child 2, second child. If I say nth child 3. Okay, sir. Let's see, will it work? Now. Now see. एक minute रे. Now paragraph of nth child. Go here. Now see, what is this mean? First child, right or not? All these four paragraphs are first children of their only, na? Right or not? They are all inside the inner, right? For all inners, they are their first child, right? Are you getting my logic now? Outer, see, let me tell you. See, that's why I told you you should understand family tree. See, now here, outer is there, right? For outer, how many children are there? Four. Four. Five, fifth, sorry, five. Four are dues, and fifth one is paragraph. Till now, any doubts? No. Now this each one is having their children. Is this paragraph is the first children of inner or not? Is the second paragraph is also first child of inner or not? So that's why it is getting selected, sir. Are you getting my point now? Now, if I say instead of paragraph, if I say dot inner, there are so many dot inners. I want only the first child of dot inner. That para one, that first one. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, dot inner of nth child 2. Because this dot inner is the second child of its parent. Okay. Now, what is the parent? Outer. For outer, this dot inner is the second child. Are you getting my point, ma? Now, if is there any another div, that div is also having second child as dot inner, that one also will be selected. Only my logic is so simple. Whoever the second children, which is named dot inner, give it to them background color. This was the only one. Is it clear, sir? Is it clear? Now, sir, what if you guess it? What if I give nth last child of 2 or of 1? What you will get? From last onwards, it will count. Nth last child means last first child, last second child, last third child. From last onwards, it will count the numbers. So automatically, the first one will become the last one then. Are you getting my point? It is easy to slip away here. So simple the logic. If you remember the family tree, you can able to guess it very easily. Now the last one, the last inner will be selected, sir, here. Now here, from the last first one, where is this? What? Now why it is not selected, sir? Because there is no last child. Inner one, there is no inner last child. This inner is last second. Right? This inner is last third. There is no last inner. Now if I say last inner of second, then that one is fine to me. Is it nice? No. Now go here, sir. Now here, how many children are there? No. I think 5 only, but actually it's not. Because, see, I just increased later, na? 4 inners, and then paragraph, then anchor tag, then button, then input. Right? All are children only, na? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 8 are children are there. First 4 are inner, next 4 are some remaining ones. Now from last onwards, if I count, inner will come from 5th place. Right? Right or not? If I say count, so it will exactly count like humans only, ma. Now if I say, then this last one will be selected. Then if I see from last 6th, last onwards 6th, then top one. Then last onwards 8th means actual first one. Because total 8 children are there. Are you getting my point, ma? Is it clear? Again, one more. Now, dot inner, nth child. If I give 1, if dot inner is the first child of any one of its parents, then it will become automatically selected. Okay. Now here, yes, dot inner is the first child of that particular parent. Now it was selected. Okay. Now, focus here. Very simple it is. Now, sir, what if here, instead of this, if I give even, Even number of childs. Only even number of childs will be selected. 2 and 4. Are you clear, ma? Are everyone clear? Sir, can I give odd here? Yes. What if I give odd? 1 and 1, 3? Mad. There is no fifth one as inner. Only 4 inners are there. 1, 3. Right? It will not advance that much. Only it knows two things. One is even, one is odd. Okay? There is no prime, ma. Good question. Okay? Is it clear till now, sir? Have some simple DOM tree, sir, and understand it. Okay? If you are having it in a DOM tree and understand, that would be fine. Now, before you go with that, I will repeat it one more time, because if you did not understand this, the next concept will be completely confusing to you. Now, let's open it a new one. Let me make it a DOM tree. HTML. The main root is HTML. HTML head and body it will take, but here I am taking it only body. From body onwards I am considering it. Okay? Okay? From body onwards consider it. It's not a big deal. Now I am writing code for my program only, whatever the program I designed. Now in this, I just write only one div, sir, which is outer. Class outer. Sir, class outer means you will select with dot outer, sir. Okay. Now, same thing. Here it is having 4 children. 1, 2, 3. Only 8 are there. Now, this is the complete DOM tree of the code. No, not completed. Till paragraphs are there, na? Oh, very bad at drawing. Did you guys ever use paint? When, Ray? Childhood, na? Good. Me also. Using paint also? Seriously? Now here paragraph, 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 and paragraph. Oh my god, now you have to type this all. Now dot inner. Now here dot inner. Now here dot inner. And this is also dot inner, sir. Now para. This is a dot para anyway. Let's keep it para only. Para, paragraph, paragraph. Here this is another div. I just remembered it. This one is another div, sir, actually. Dot inner inner. Did you remember? We write it here dot inner inner. Now this is button, anchor tag, or some paragraph, and some. Okay, fifth one is paragraph, whatever it is. INP input. Huh? Okay, IDs are also there. I'm not writing it. Okay. Original DOM tree will write it actually. Your system, your browser will write this all. Now, understand it, sir, in browser's language. Now tell me, guys, focus here now. Now, if I write it here, now I will write some logic left side. I want you to tell me on which box will be selected. Okay? Are you getting my point, ma? so that you will understand it. If you see the DOM tree, you will understand this one very easily. Now, let me write the logic here. Dot. Okay, let me increase the size. Oh, I can't increase it. No. No, here dot inner. On you can see it more last ones. Dot inner. Nth child. Nth child of 3. Then this one, right or not? If that is the case, you will get this one, sir. Where why this one ink is not working? This one will work. Right? Now, what if here instead of this, if I say it like instead of 3 dot inner nth last child, nth last child odd, nth last child odd, sir. Now see, people will think that it will be 1 3. That is wrong. Why? Because I am coming from last. So then this is fifth one. See, this fourth and second one. Yes. Now what it will be selected? This one, because this is fifth from last, and this one is seventh. So these two will be selected. Are you getting my point, ma? Again, see, sir, if I am coming from last, INP will be the first child, P will be the second child, A will be the third child, button will be the fourth child, and then dot inner will be fifth child. So automatically it's an odd number, right? It will be selected. Right? Then this one 6. Oh, sorry. Dot inner fifth, and then 6th, then 7th. Is it clear, ma? If you write it in your paper and one time if you check it, you will understand it. Any doubts? Any doubts? Now you will get doubts, don't worry. Till now it's so simple, sir, actually. After this one only main problems will come. Now focus here, sir, focus here. Till now, we are discussing nth child. Imagine, everyone, focus, tell me, I will tell you one general example. Imagine a couple, normal couple, Ray. Over, they have children now. Let's discuss that thing, okay? A couple have 4 children now. Okay. Now, their X, which is male. Okay, he is a mathematician, so he named it as X and Y. Okay. So now, Y, let's take it female. And then X2, which is male. Then X3, which is male. Okay, see. Now, if I say select the first child of the couple, what you will say? What you will get? Which one? X. X is the first child. But if I say select the first female child, why? Right? Are you understanding difference? Selecting a particular element based on a number will not consider the type. I'm select the first child or second child or third child or fourth child or odd number child or even number child or from last. This is nth child, sir. Right or not? That's what we discussed till now. Now I'm telling it, select the first child of female type. which is actually second child. Right or not? Are you getting my point, ma? Select the third child of female child. So there is no only. Okay. Is it clear? Now we are going to discuss the same example in our CSS, now, which is nth child of type. Nth child of type. Till now we are discussing based on numbers. From now onwards we are discussing based on types. Based on types. Now focus here. Now paragraph, which is nth child of type. Two. Then any paragraphs, see, listen, first element should be paragraph type and it should be a second children of any element. If an element is the second children and it is of a paragraph type, it will be selected. Now, is there any element which is of second children? See? See this one? Why it is selected? This one only. Okay, here, this one, this property is coming odd. Okay, I did not specify any property, na? Then let me specify here. Background color, green. Or blue or green ray, whatever it is. Is it mandatory? Now, what is this means? Is any element selected, sir? That means there are no person who is having type of paragraph as their second children. Every element is having first children only type of paragraph. Is there now? Let's go here. Let me write it here. Let's go to inner in one paragraph here, which is of second children. Now see. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, ma? No? Now same way, sir. Same way. Go here. Same way. Can I write even here? Yes. Can I write odd here? Yes. Can I write nth of last of type? See, this is nth of type. You can write nth of last of type also. Nth of type, which is second child. See, what is it mean by nth of type, sir? Nth of type means P nth of type. That means P is nth of type of 2. That means paragraph element should be a children, which is second children only. The paragraph should be second children only. Okay. Now, what is the same thing? Now here, see, first paragraph is there. First div is there. See this div. This div is having two children. One is first children, paragraph only. Second children also, paragraph only. Because it is having second children, which is paragraph type, it is selected. Right or not? Now, guys, tell me, what if the same logic I write nth of last type? Last type. That means it will start counting from last. So then who will come second? First one will be coming second. Right or not? 2 persons are there. If you are counting first, second, or from last onwards, first, second. Is it clear? So this is simple, sir. Don't get confused for simple things. Now let's go here. If I write nth last of type. Second. See? First one will be selected. Is it clear, ma? Imagine a couple have 2 children. Now I said it like female, which are second children only. I want female type, which are second children. Imagine the couple have male and female. Automatically the female one will be selected. If the couple is having first female and then the male, then it will not be selected. Why? Because I said it should be female and it should be second child only. That is what I said it here also. I said it should be paragraph, but at the same time, it should be second child also. Okay. Are you clear, ma? Is it clear till now? Because some people are saying it in a S way, some people are saying it in a no way. Think it as simple as that, sir. See. Now, if two children were there, boys, focus here. These were very, very simple. Female. Now, if I say female, which is of nth child type, nth of type of 2, then what will happen? This female will be selected, right? What if these people are having it first one as female child and second one as male child? Will it be selected, sir? Why? Because they are not having second child as the female, right? Is it clear? But same thing, instead of writing it here nth child, if I write nth last child, it will be selected. Why? Because I will start counting from the last. Then boy will have first and the female will be second. Automatically, female is second only coming now. Are you getting my point? Same thing, sir. Instead of female, focus here paragraph. That's it. Okay, boys? Have the tree and focus like this. Now, next one. Next. Now. What more we can have? Now, sir, boys, focus here. There are few more selectors. Like, for example, if I have 3 input types, input. If I have 3 input types, sir, which is text. Now, imagine only the first one is required. Did you remember we will give required and all flags? You all did the forms, right? What if I want to select, sir, I want to select in the form only the elements, only the tags which are having required. I want all input types which are having required. Now I will go here, sir. I will say input types which are having required. If I say required, then background color, you can make it. I am giving background color is basic one. In real time, we will give whatever the properties I like. Red. See? Here, 3 inputs are there, right or not? Only the first one will become red. Why? First one is having required. Only nth child and nth child of type is kind of clumsy. Remaining all are easy. Okay? Now, sir, I want to select all the elements which are not required. Required ones, you will give required tag, right? Now I got the first one. If I say not required one, what will come? Second and third one, right or not? Now here, if I say required, instead of required, sir, say it like not required. No, it's not required. It's something called optional. What it is? Required, optional, which are opposite words. Okay. Now, if I say optional, sir, what will happen? Except required, everything will come. Is it okay, ma? Now, one more. Now, instead of required, sir, what if an element is disabled? An element is disabled. Did you remember disabled? Huh? Yes, that element will be removed actually. If I say element is disabled, then focus here. What will happen? That element will be, you can't write it, you can't read it. Right? Now I want to select the elements which are disabled. How do you write it, sir? So simple. Input column disabled. What you will have? Input column disabled. Then you can write it here. Background color red. Then only the first element will be red because that is the only element which is disabled, sir. Is it clear, ma? Boys, are you okay here? Yeah. Sir, I want to select the elements which are not disabled. That means second and third. Same thing, sir, here. Disabled, opposite word is not disabled. Enabled. Okay. It's not like disabled, not disabled. Happy, not happy. No. There is something words. Now here enabled. Now go here. See, required, optional, disabled, enabled. Same thing, sir. You have another thing called read only. What is that? Read only. Let me go here. Let's write it here. Read only. If I maintain something as read only, sir, you can't write it. Go here. You know that, right? These things we already wrote this. Do this. Like you can't write it anything in that. Now, how to select an elements which are having only read only, sir? Same thing. Input, colon, read only. Sir, when we do our main project, sir, we will do this all. We will make our form more beautiful. Read only. Now here, read only will be background color red. Now see here, the background color will be red. Sir, what is opposite for read only? Read and write, Ray, not write only. That is read and write. Read only and read and write. Read and write means remaining two will come. Any doubts, sir? Doubts? Till now, is it clear, sir? Yeah. Now. We will discuss the knots later, actually. Knot will not come now. What you can do more? Yeah, these ones are main pseudo classes. Main ones will cover these things, sir. Pseudo classes and pseudo elements. You can have these pseudo classes and pseudo elements even in your notes, which I provided also are there, sir. Each and everything with the examples. You can just try it once. Okay. Any doubts more till now? Is it clear, everyone? Clear? Now let's do our project. Let's start our project. Now remaining properties, sir. Sir, listen. For HTML, CSS, fifth project is yesterday's card component. I showed one card component now. Will you all do that? Which is Flux. Do it. Okay. Then next, after that, sir, one guy showed me traffic lights. Right or not? What property is traffic lights now? You guys tell me. Hovering. What is that? Can we do that now? Let's do it, sir. Now let me write it here. Traffic lights. Huh? What stop? What traffic light stop? Class stopper. I'm not understanding the joke, Ray. Stop the class. Now, 318. Seriously. Hey, just focus it, Ray. No worries, okay? It won't be that much hard for you. Focus till now, boys. Hello. Focus here. Till now, I'm just explaining some concept. When we explain some concept, it would be difficult. But when we do apply, it would be easy and fun. Okay? Let's start do, sir. Now, before we do, let's just have an understanding. Okay. Sir, if I have to do traffic lights, how to do? First, I will make a design. See, this is my body. Hello. Last ones are words. Listen. If I have to traffic lights, what do I have to do? First only I will think. Okay. What do you think? First whole body is this. Inside the body, sir. One div should be there, which should be in the middle of the page. Right or not? One div should come, which is middle of the page. Now in this div should have border radius and all. Right? Now inside this div, sir, how will you put circle, sir? Again, you will have 3 divs. Right? Right or not? Yes. I will show you how to put circles later. Now this each one will fill one color, right? And whenever you hover also, another color will come. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Now another one, sir. Now how do you put this main div in the middle? Display flux. Display flux. Now let's start it, sir. Logic is so simple. Div. Now here, div. What is that? Is called pole, no? Whatever it is. Div pole. Inside the pole, you have lights. Div dot lights, which is 3. Okay. Now main one is pole, sir. Pole will have 3 lights. Okay. Clear, ma? Now, let me write it here. Traffic.css. So whatever the code you see, sir, try to manipulate that code. Exactly, you should get that code. Okay. Link, yeah, I'm linking it. Now link CSS, which is traffic. Okay. Now here, first one, body. Body should be display fluxer. Body should be display flux. And justify content center, sir. So that horizontally it will be center, sir. Horizontally my div will be center. If I write align item centers, what will happen? Vertically my div will be center, sir. Now after horizontal and vertically center, what you will do, sir? Height also. Maximum height is 100%. Right or not? Body will be 100% height. You can write 100% or 100 VH. Both are same. Okay. Now, after this, sir, pole dot pole. Pole is also having height 50%. Width, sir, by default, width will be occupied 100% only in a body. Now, width, this one width is 30% or 30 VW. You can say. Okay. Now, this is 50 VH. Whatever. Now, go here. Where is my code? Okay. Let me stop it. Let's run this traffic lights. Sir, can I see anything div here? Why? Because there is no border, na? You can't identify it. Now for pole, let's give some border, sir. Border, 2 pixel, solid, black. Solid, black. Now I can see my div, sir. Which is this. Okay. Now see, sir. I have to reduce the width also. Instead of 30, let's make it 15. Now it's nice, na? How do you make it round? Border, radius. Now you should be careful when you make it border radius. Border radius. And here you can give it 50 pixels. Let me give. Will it work or not? More. Okay, not great. 100. Okay, somewhat. Okay. You try it. The point is when you give more, this one will become ball. Okay. I don't want that ball. Okay. Now focusly you should give it, sir. Now later, error failed. We'll discuss it now. Now after this, sir. After this, now lights. Dot light. Light is also having border, sir. Border 1 pixel, solid black. Later I can change it whenever I want it. Boys, are you getting it, ma? Now here, This one should be display flux. Display flux. See, divs are coming like this. No, I don't want like that. I will say like each one height should be height is 50 pixel. Height is, now let's see. Is it working nicely? Oh no. Display flux. They are coming in the same way, sir. Okay. In a horizontal way. Let me give width also. Width also 50 pixel. Now go here and see it. See, 3 boxes are coming now. Right? They are coming in horizontal, sir. How do you make them vertical? Flux direction column. Now see, sir, they are in flux ma. Are you getting my point, sir? Whoever asked for flux, see it. Display flux. Now the items automatically come in the flux box. Now if I say flux direction column, then automatically what will happen? They will come in column, sir. Right? Now I don't want there, sir. I want them to be in middle. Same way. Justify content center. Justify content center. Now what will happen, sir? They will be at the center. Sir, why they are center? Vertically, sir, now because the main axis now y-axis, column direction. Cross axis is x-axis. Right? Doubt, sir? No? Now, next one. Align items. Center, sir. Right? Any doubts, ma? No. Let's increase their height and width a bit. 80 pixels. 80 pixels. And then let's check it. Okay, not bad. Then give them gap. Gap. Sir, padding is different, gap is different. Okay. So let's go with gap. If you give margin, top and bottom also will come. So that's why I'm going with gap. Gap 20 pixel. Then border radius. Right or not? Sir, I will show you one nice property. Instead of border radius, you can use this also, which is called clip path, sir. What is that? Clip path will actually use to take it a polygon. Have you guys know basic maths polygons? You can take a polygon, you can take a circle, you can take a square, you can take a rectangle, you can take whatever you want. Ellipse also will be possible. Now if I write it here, circle. Circle will usually goes with radius, sir. You know that, na? Now if I say 20 pixel, then it will take 20 pixel as the radius. Where this are? Hey. What happened to them, Ray? Why they are not coming? Server, Ray. Seriously? No, Ray. Clip path will take it exact specified path. Radius will be 20 pixel or 10 pixel, something pixel it will take only, na? Okay, I will go with border radius. When we come to images, I will show you that. Border radius 100 pixels. Then automatically each one will be circle, sir. Now what you need to do? Put whole one colors. Background colors for everything. Whenever you hover on them, colors will change. Now, sir, how do you identify each one separately? Did I give anything separate ones? No. I will select it by nth childs. Okay. I can give each one IDs also, but I will select by nth child instead of IDs. Okay. Now, dot light, which is of nth child 2 or nth child 1 if someone hovers on it. If anyone hovers on that particular nth child, then what will happen? Background color red. Nth child means if, see, the point is so simple. The dot light it should be, and the dot light class, if it is a first child only, will it applicable to second one, sir? See, here, if I want second child, what I have to do? Same thing here, instead of nth child 1, you should write nth child 2. Sir, this is one alternative only. But sir, what if I write each one different IDs and I will select it, sir? Your wish. You can go with IDs also. I don't want to go to HTML and write it different IDs. I will do it like this. It's a different way. That's it. Here, second one, yellow. Usually earlier it's orange. Green. Now whole body will have one color, sir. Background color. Don't make it background color too bright. Okay. Any other? Let me check it here. Honeydew. Then next. Okay. Nth child 3 I wrote na. Okay. I didn't edit it. That is nice only. Then for this background colors also, each and every one. For pole background color, you can make it black. I can't make it. Why? Because all borders are black color only. If I make it black, then it will be a problem. Okay. You can make it, if I make it black, inside of each color also, I can change it. Okay. Now background color. White is great actually. White always, whenever you are making a website, black and white, you have to use nicely. It will give nice appearance. Now here, background color, black. You can make it black or whatever it is. Now see, instead of orange, you put whatever color you like. It doesn't matter, na? Any problem here? You understand how I did? So my point is, ma, whenever you see something nice thing, try to understand how that should be made and how you can make it. Okay? Now, sir, how to push this one in Git? Everyone knows it? Now, let's push it in my whole code in Git, and I will show you one more time live links, and then we will finish the class. Okay? Now, I will create here one more folder, one file, index.html. Inside this index.html, I will put a link here. Inside this, traffic lights. Traffic lights will be anchor taxer link. Now here, you can put a nice table also, your wish. href dot slash, okay, dot slash, inside CSS, inside traffic lights.html. Sir, if I push it and make a live link, sir, I will get this page. If someone clicks on this link, then it will open my traffic lights, right or not? Now, sir, how do you push? Everyone, whoever getting the errors now, from starting onwards, whoever getting Git errors, let me tell you this all. Now, sir, Git commands also I mentioned in the GitHub when I explained, right? You can check it. Yeah, first command, Git. Boys, last ones. Everyone, tell me Git commands. Git init. Very good. Next, add. dot space dot. Then git commit some message. Then next git push. Actually, git remote add will be there. I already added, so I will directly go with push. U origin main. Now I will open the code, ma. If I go here, my GitHub, inside this HTML5 2 p.m. This is the main code. See, everything is pushed now only. Right or not? Now, how do you create a link for this, sir? First, to create the link, you should have index.html. It is there now. Now go here, settings. Go here, settings. Then pages. Then here main selected. Then save. Already it is created. See. Now if I click on this, sir, it will take time. It will take time to load that particular index.html. Just now only I push now. I will get the anchor link, sir. Once I get the anchor link, if someone clicks on that anchor link, it will open my traffic. Like this, every project you do, for every project you do, put one link. Okay, some people are already doing it. They are making one table and giving it to me. Tomorrow also, I want to see, at least if you do one project, W3C or WWW, I want to see that. Okay? Make it a live link so that you will get errors and you can ask me more. See, I got the link. If I click on this link, my traffic lights will come. It's a live. Clear, ma? Yeah. Huh? हो गया ना? Yeah. That's it. Thank you all. If anyone have any other doubts, you can let me know. No, I want to clap it for you guys. Make it some nice design. I want to see really unique designs. Okay? And I like your traffic lights. That's why I made it. Thank you. Yeah. Huh? What? Thank you all. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave. Yeah. Online, you can just unmute yourself, ma, if you have any doubts. Hello,
sir.
Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, this is Mayank. I am not able to sign in into Git using VS Code.
See, if you are what error you are getting it?
Sir, I'm not finding the option of sign in VS Code, like and just above the setting there is an icon, person icon, and there is no option for, like, the option is hidden in my VS Code.
You will have option like this. You will have option for sync for settings, not sign in.
Sir, actually that option is hidden in VS Code. Like, sir, open VS Code once.
See this. You can see on my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here, if you click on it, then you will get these things. Here you will get
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This option, sir. This is not. This is hidden. Like, sir, like sir, Prasad, your name is shown. My name is not shown. Then, like, this option is hidden.
My point is, see, for me, I am also signing out. See, now I just signed out. Now, if I signed out, it got just a minute. Someone please mute yourself. Screen got stuck, ma. Okay. See, if you sign it also, sign out also, if the option whatever the Prasad I am showing it, if it is not visible to you, you will have settings sync on. Na? If you click on settings sync on, automatically you will get the sign in option.
Okay, sir. I will try, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts, ma?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Sir,
Yes, tell me, ma.
Sir, I want to share my screen, sir. I'm getting some doubt.
Yeah, share it, ma. Share it.
CSS file లింక్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా మరి HTML ఫైల్ ఎలా లింక్ చేయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ CSS ఫైల్ లింక్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా సో HTML బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఎట్లా ఓపెన్
HTML ఫైల్ ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసా
మరి CSS ఎట్లా అటాచ్ అయింది
ఆ HTML లో CSS ఉందిగా సిఎస్ఎస్ ఎవరు లింక్ చేయరు, హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ లింక్ చేస్తారు. జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ ఎవరు లింక్ చేయరు, హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ చేస్తారు. హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ లోపల ఉంటాయి.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
హలో టెల్ మీ మా
Yes, sir.
So someone said they will share the screen na. I just gave permission, you can share it ma.
Sir, I'm not getting permission, sir. That's why I'm waiting.
Yes, I just gave it ma, you can just share it
Okay,
now.
okay. Okay, sir. One sec, sir. Yeah.
లాస్ట్ నుంచి కౌంట్
Yes, sir.
చేస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను
Sir,
ఫీమేల్
sir,
సెకండ్
share
ఫీమేల్
the
కావాలి
link
అని
of-
అన్న, ఒకడికేమో ఫస్ట్ చైల్డ్ ఫీమేల్ ఉన్నాడు, సెకండ్ మేల్ ఉన్నారు. కానీ నేను లాస్ట్ నుంచి కౌంట్ చేస్తాను అనుకో, నాకు ఈ ఫీమేల్ సెకండ్ వస్తుందిగా.
మీరు ఎంత టైప్ అన్నారు కదా,
ఎంత లాస్ట్ చైల్డ్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ అని అన్నాను. సో నాకేం కావాలి, పారాగ్రాఫ్ సెకండ్ టైప్ కావాలి, సెకండ్ కావాలి. అప్పుడు ఒకటికి పారాగ్రాఫ్ డివ్ ఇద్దరు చిల్డ్రన్ ఉన్నారు, పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఫస్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్ డివ్ సెకండ్ చిల్డ్రన్. కానీ అప్పుడు వాడు సెలెక్ట్ అవ్వడు, ఎందుకంటే ఆ పారాగ్రాఫ్ ఫస్ట్ చైల్డ్ వాడికి. కానీ నేనేం చేస్తాను, లాస్ట్ చైల్డ్ అని పెట్టి లాస్ట్ నుంచి సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తా. డివ్ ఏమో ఫస్ట్ చైల్డ్ అనుకుంటా, పారాగ్రాఫ్ సెకండ్ చైల్డ్ అనుకుంటా, ఎందుకంటే లాస్ట్ నుంచి కొంచెం అప్పుడు సెలెక్ట్ అవుతాడు.
పారాగ్రాఫ్ నాలుగునే కదా,
ఆ,
ఫస్ట్
లాస్ట్ నుంచి
4 ఉన్నాయి పారాగ్రాఫ్.
లాస్ట్ నుంచి సెకండ్. లాస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ థర్డ్ సెలెక్ట్ అయింది.
ఫస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ అయింది.
లాజికల్ అయితే అదే